Ever wondered how you can safely store, send, and swap crypto and NFTs in one simple app without the headache of complicated setups? Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is one of the most famous crypto decentralized wallets out there. They have a clean and user-friendly website and interface that you can use immediately. You can go to their website phantom.com or just click the link down in the description and you can immediately download the app as an extension on your browser, set up your wallet in a decentralized way and start doing your crypto transactions. Phantom is a self-custody crypto wallet, and it's built for Solana and right now Ethereum ecosystems. You own your private keys, which means that your assets inside the wallet are yours and you have 100% control of them. Nobody else. It's not like the exchanges, because in exchanges, you never get private keys. What does that mean? Any crypto you have in exchanges are not yours, it's theirs. They control it. But with Phantom Wallet, you have self-custody and you can swap tokens instantly inside the wallet. You don't need third-party apps, and you can even manage your NFTs. In your Phantom Wallet, you can manage your own NFTs on both Ethereum and Solana networks and connect them even to Ethereum marketplaces and do NFT transactions. Let's do it together. Go to the website and let's create the account. Click the download button and choose on which browser you want to connect your Phantom. So you click on the button Add to Chrome, add extension, and you wait for it to be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you can set up your own wallet if you don't have one, or connect your existing Phantom wallet if you already have one with your private key. Me, I don't have one, so I will create a new one. You choose either continue with email or create a seed phrase. I will do it with create a seed phrase, and you choose a password. Put a strong password that you don't need to worry about. And here, it gives you out the recovery phrase. You need to write this on a piece of paper. So I wrote down those 12 words. Of course, nobody needs to know those words because this is your private key. Don't share them with anybody. For example, me, I'm now sharing this on the video. Of course, I'm not going to use this specific wallet. But the great thing with Phantom, I can create unlimited wallets in as fast a way as you right now see. You set up then your account. I'm going to just type test wallet and then continue. And as simple as that, you have your wallet ready. When you click get started, you will see the wallet popping up to the left. I can maximize this or minimize it, whatever you want, and you can start doing actions. First of all, you can buy Solana with cash by clicking on it. Choose if you want with debit card, Binance Cash Wallet, P2P, MoonPay. There are so many ways to actually put money in your wallet immediately, and the fees are almost minimal. And you can then receive crypto based on the network you want to receive the crypto. You choose the specific wallet address and send crypto to other wallet addresses. You can swap. For example, I want to swap Solana to FIDA. I choose, let's say I have one Solana. I convert it. Again, I don't have money on this account. And you click and do your swap. And you can even buy. So it's as simple as that. You can receive crypto by clicking this button, send crypto to your other wallets or to people's wallets, swap crypto inside of this wallet, or buy. And if you noticed it, they have access to all of these networks. And this is what's great about Phantom. You can have one wallet for Bitcoin, Polygon, Sui, Base, Ethereum, and Solana blockchains. And this is the beauty with Phantom. You are talking about a trusted wallet by millions of crypto users worldwide. It's available on mobile and browser extension like we did today on this video. And you can even set up biometric security and password protection for extra safety. And it integrates seamlessly with dApps for DeFi and gaming. Just click the link down in the description and create your self-custody Phantom wallet today. If you want to take control of your crypto and NFTs without worrying about centralized risks, download Phantom Wallet today. It's free, secure, and gives you everything you need in one place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and click the link down in the description and leave any questions down in the comments and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.